half Samoan, half Australian.
Oh, he's half
My
Equestrian?
grandfather's from Tuwhiopa and my nana's from London.
Okay.
So it's a part of who I am. You know, it's important to me, and I got to grow up sort of introduced to both type of cultures. Our country's not big,
Which
and
culture do you say he's from? What's the?
He just said he's Ha'amoa and half Australian, so maybe Palangi.
Palangi. Okay, gotcha.
I'm assuming when you say half Australian, half Samoan, so
it's safe to say Palangi, and then if it's not Palangi, it's the Aboriginal.
Some Apo.
Okay.
People know it, but they don't know it. Probably, it's rare for people from our neck of the woods to sort of make it on those world stages. It's special, man. It's special to be up there on the world stage and fly the flag, and then be able to come here and do things here, and
that is cool.
To be at the forefront of the representing our people's special.
Hey, he must like eating limu.